HDL300 voice amplification. Let's take a look at the setup. With a wireless headset system and a special cable with 3.5mm XLR, and of course the Connect module, it's easy to connect these things together. So here we have the receiver and of course the Connect module. Taking the XLR connection from the special cable, plug it into the receiver. Take the 3.5mm end of the cable and plug that to the input of the Connect module. With these things connected, we can now power up the receiver and the transmitter to make sure that they are on the same channel. We can see that the base station receiver is on A1. Opening the hatch on the transmitter, I can confirm that the channel is A, or group is A, and channel is 1. To adjust the gain setting on the transmitter, the small dial can give you adjustment. Typically speaking, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, if you think of it like an analog clock, is where to go. Turning the transmitter on is as simple as flicking the switch on the top. We're not quite ready yet, though. Wearing the headset is simple. Take it and hang it over your ears and adjust the microphone position so that it's comfortable when you speak. To enable this with Nureva Console, simply connect the HDL to the computer, go into Console under Device Settings, under Voice Amplification, scroll down, and then enable the feature. We're now ready to go.
Here I'm going to demonstrate the difference between my normal voice, not amplified, and what the HDL300 can do with amplification. We're currently set up in the office environment at Nureva, similar to a classroom style, and a camera is set up on a tripod to record what the ambient sound is as if you were a student in the classroom 30 feet away from where the teacher would be at the front of the room. You'll also notice that sound in the room is picking up some of the HVAC running, similar things and noises that would be in a school environment. Again, making it more difficult for the student at the back of the classroom to hear a teacher if they're speaking in a normal voice. So, let's go. So now I'm at the front of the classroom, speaking in the same level of voice I was before. I will turn on the transmitter so that you get an appreciation of how much amplification there is over my normal voice in this space. I will keep talking for a little bit so that you can appreciate what the amplification does from the perspective of clarity of you hearing me over and above some of the HVAC noise and other things that would be in the environment. Now to show the reverse of this, I will turn off the transmitter while I'm talking so that you also get an appreciation between my normal voice whilst I'm speaking at the front of the classroom and the difference it makes when I turn on the amplification and how much crisper and louder that is for you to hear.